Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is a quick tutorial on a very basic sort of network topology, if you like, um, using the Hyper-V platform. So what we plan to do is we've got two virtual machines. So imagine we've got PC1 as one virtual machine and PC2 as one virtual machine inside the Hyper-V uh, platform. So what we want to do is we want to set up a network so that this PC here can communicate with this PC and vice versa. So the plan is what we're going to do inside Hyper-V. In order to achieve this, we need to create what they call the internal switch, which is available inside Hyper-V. Um, and then once we've got that configured and we've got the PCs, the virtual machines configured, then what we're going to do to verify that we've got uh, a connection going, we're going to use the ping command to verify that we are actually able to communicate between the two PCs. Hope that makes sense. So I'll show you step by step. Okay, so this is the Hyper-V manager, and the two PCs that we want to connect up are here, PC1 and PC2. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is create the virtual switch. So we click here, virtual switch manager, and then we select this internal, create the virtual switch, and we'll call it virtual switch, virtual switch. There we go. And then click apply. Okay, so we've got that, and then what we want to do now is go to the settings of the two PCs and link them up with that virtual switch. So click on settings and then go here, network adapter, and then what we do, the switch that we just created in the Hyper-V settings, just select that virtual switch and then click here, click apply. That's done. So that was PC1. Do the same for PC2. You can just right click and go settings, or just go here and then select virtual switch, apply. So that's done on this side. So what we want to do now is we want to connect to the virtual machine now and then do the setup there as well. So let's start it first. So start the other one as well. Start and then just connect. Yes, connect, connect. Right. So now these are the two PCs we have. So let's sign into both. Okay, we've got two machines here. So the first thing we want to do is go to command prompt and type ipconfig. Now if you notice here, the IP configuration here, it's showing 169.254 and the rest of it. So basically that is for the self-assigned IP address. and that's no good to us because it's not discoverable by any other machines. So what we need to do is we need to give this machine an IP address and also do the same for this machine as well. So if you type IP config here, this has also got a self-assigned IP address, so that's pretty much useless. So what we want to do is set up an IP address for this. So to do that, go here, and I'm going to change it up to settings, and that's the network adapter for this PC, yeah, PC2. Right, so you right click, click properties, go to IP version 4 here, properties, and then go and select this and then give it an IP address. So we're going to give it a local IP address, 192.168.1, and could be anything. So we just say 2 because it's PC2. Okay, and then the subnet mask, that's the subnet mask. Click OK. Okay, and to verify that setting has gone through, we'll just do IP config again. There you go. That's the IP address now for this machine, and we'll do the same on this machine. So to do that, we'll just go here, right click, change it up to settings, properties, IP version 4, properties, IP address 192.168.1, and we'll give this one the same number 1 because it's PC1. Could be anything really, doesn't matter. As long as it's 192.168.1, should be fine. Oops, subnet mask. Yeah, there you go. Subnet mask is done. Okay, close all of this. Okay, so let's verify the IP address. There you go. So let's try and ping this PC. Okay, so from here, what you do, type ping, and this 192.168.1.1. If we try to ping that, yes, we are able to ping. Fantastic. Do the same on this side. So for PC1, we're going to try and ping this PC. So this PC is 192.168.1.3 ping. Okay, so it's not working, and the reason for that is basically it's the firewall. The firewall is getting in the way. So in order to fix that, what you do is you go to Windows. There you go, it's right there. Windows Defender Firewall, and since it was not able to respond to the ping request, it basically means that the firewall is blocking the ping request. So all we do is just go in there. The easiest thing to do is just to turn them off, like turn off the firewall. Now that's obviously not good practice. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the ping feature and allow it to sort of, receive ping requests. So there you go, look, ping echo, yeah. So we're in a private network, so therefore we'll select that and click on enable rule. And now if we go back here, do the same thing, and this time we're able to communicate with that. That's it, mission accomplished. So what we've done, we've set up a network here where we can communicate between these two PCs, or these two PCs can communicate with each other. Hope this video has been of some help to somebody. It's very basic, but what we plan to do is build on from here onwards. So we're going to add more PCs, add a server, a Windows server, and then eventually we're going to create a DHCP server, DNS server. So there's more videos to come, so please stay tuned.